everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be back with this video. As you guys know, over the years I've been obsessed with Barbie. Nicki Minaj was my inspiration for a lot of the Barbie looks that I did. Not really the Barbie doll. It's weird, like Nicki is like the Barbie doll for me. So the Barbie movie's coming out. I'm super excited. Nicki Minaj is on the album, the soundtrack. I recreated a lot of her looks throughout the years, like really looks that I love. Not every single look that she did, but looks that I really loved. And this is one of the looks that I really love. I love the hair, the bobos. Hold on. I love the hairs, the bobos, just the big hair and everything. So I'm going to recreate that look today. Just in purchasing, but this is the wig. It's a kinky curly wig. And Nicki had kinky ponytails. She did it different. She actually, I think she split her hair, or she had a wig installed, frontal, braided it, and then added some kinky hairs to the sides. I could have did that look too, but I kind of just wanted to see if I can recreate the look using this wig because it is kinky. So I don't know how this is going to come out. I'm literally winging it, trying it. So this should be like a fun video because I am obsessed with Barbie, bitch. Woo, Barbie. Woo.
Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with me something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, like water when I see you moving. Hey, like the air, I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, like water when I see you moving. Hey, like the air, I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
the final look, you guys. It came out pretty good. I was so scared what I was doing. I was like, what if it doesn't look like Nicki's? I mean, it's not exactly alike because she added hair, so the added hair on her ponytails made the hair way bigger. This is not as big because it's a wig, but I think it came out pretty cute. You can see the bobos that I used. I did a little baby hair. Yeah, I absolutely love this look. I can't wait for the Barbie movie to come out. Barbie is having a premiere in New York soon. Shout out to the Barbie movie. Hopefully you guys invite me so I can walk the pink carpet and my Barbie ensemble. Call my agent. But yeah, you guys, that's all for this video. I didn't want it to be super long. I just wanted to recreate this fun look. I'm just kind of like making the hairs bigger, kind of like pulling it apart because I want it to be like huge puff balls. Like, that's the goal. Let me know what you guys think below. Barbie girl out. I love you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I have way more videos coming. Watch my old videos. You can learn something from anything that I'm talking about on this channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.